We are going to review top 5 best heavy-duty moving bags. List number 1. T-Con 6-pack extra large moving bags. 27-foot x 14, x 15, and up to 24-gallon volume, an alternative for moving box and organizer, holiday storage bag. Waterproof, ideal for space saving, moving, camping. Made with premium PE material with wide and thick carrying handles surround the luggage bag, giving the moving bags much more strength to hold heavier loading than stitched handles. The top side of the storage bag can be fully opened and it is much easier to organize, load and unload clothes, books, or anything that you want to put in. List number 2. Vino 10-pack moving bags. No need to buy or assemble packing boxes or look for moving supplies. Streamline your move with Vino's strong and spacious heavy-duty moving bags that make a lightweight, convenient, and economical alternative to moving boxes. Just unfold, unzip, and begin loading to move your essentials into your college dorm room or new home. Use a wipe or damp cloth to clean and, followed by air drying. Collapse and fold flat to store in your drawers, cabinets, or shelves. Carry heavy loads effortlessly with VNO's versatile storage and moving bags. List number 3. Space-Aid heavy-duty moving bags. Holds up to 60 pounds safely, made of polypropylene woven material. The triple seams on the handles and straps keep carry safely. The strong two-way zippers allow for easy access and closure. Can be carried like a tote or a backpack thanks to the 4 strap options, made to reusable, resist water and resist wear, more durable than a box, plastic bin and other containers. When empty, these bags can be folded up completely into a small size for easy storage in a drawer, closet or luggage. These bags are ideal for put extra items when you back to home from travel. List number 4. ClearSpace heavy-duty moving bags. Equipped with long carry handles and additional backside straps, our storage bags can be carried like backpacks, providing stability and ease of transport. When not in use, these moving supplies can be folded completely flat, saving valuable space in closets, garages, or under the bed. Made from woven 180 GSM coated polypropylene material, our moving bags are among the strongest in the market. They can safely hold up to 50 pounds, ensuring your items stay secure during transport or storage. ClearSpace is designed for versatility. List number 5. Baleine 6-pack oversized moving bags. The extra large storage bags are 27-foot x 15, x 14 that provide a 24-gallon storage volume. The load capacity of each storage bags is 50 pounds. The carrying handles are designed to surround the plastic tote to hold heavier loading than stitched handles. The top side of the clothing storage bags can be fully opened for easier organization, loading and taking out clothes, books, shoes, and everything you need to move or storage. A tag pocket is on the top right corner with which you can mark your luggage for easier recognizing.